months, the Jill Biggs Group has been handpicked to spearhead Zillow's highly anticipated Seller Leads program. Picture this, a groundbreaking opportunity puts you front and center in the real estate game in Hudson, Bergen, and Essex County. With our exclusive Zillow Seller Leads, the Jill Biggs Group is revolutionizing the way agents like you connect with motivated sellers. Here's what sets us apart. Exclusive lead access. We're one of the only teams in New Jersey selected for Zillow Seller Lead program, and it means you get high-quality listing leads that others don't. All hands on deck. We cover your leads, your marketing expenses so that you can focus on serving clients from lead to close. We have a proven reputation. Our established presence in real estate means trust from clients and agents. We're the only real estate group in New Jersey with hard work hardwired into our business. We listen, we hustle, we take care of everything. Love to get a group of hardcore professionals who are excited to take listings and see their business grow.